Yes, after doing the last video, I got another video about this interesting robot here. This is called the Chasis robot, and we are going to learn how to assemble it, and we're going to also see the particular systems that have been applied within it. This robot comes with two tires, as you can see, two motors. It comes with a front 360 wheel, as you can see it over here. Also, it comes with this frame, some connectors for the motor, and also some bolts and the switch. So when assembling this robot, you need to be very conversant about this user manual. In its box, in its package, it comes with a user manual. Please read it and also see where you can apply your components. These motors come without wires. You need to solder the wires on and then connect them on this frame of ours. When you're connecting these motors on the frame, you just hold it like this, put it somewhere here. Yes, turn it like this. Remember, we had these connectors and this is their work basically. So get one connector, put it in the hole up here like this. In this hole, fix it tight like that. Put the motor here, and then you get this connector, also put it down here. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for education content. Then you are going to pass this belt into this ends, this hole here, like this, up to these ends. Make sure it fixes like that, and also get another bolt, put it here, and then fixes like that. Then you are going to get our nutty, then fix it down here like this. Then turn it slowly like this. Turn it until it enters the grooves like that. Also get another nutty, put it there, hold it like this, and then turn it slowly. Yeah, it fixes. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking, sharing and subscribe to our channel for educational content like this, and also recommending other people onto our videos. We shall be so grateful. Also get another connector, put it here on this second motor. Yes, as we did the first one, let us also fix in the second one. Then fix it like this. Yes, here. No, sorry. And after all that is done, we are going to fix in this front tire. You can see it over here. It goes within these holes that are timed like that. So it comes with these small pins on this one. What we are going to do, this small pin goes down like this. Then this big nut is going to drive up here like this. Like that. Also at these ends, we're going to do the same. Also hold this one. Just pass it into these holes and then tight it with this bigger pin. Like that. Let us use this screw to tighten. So tighten this way. And then it is done. So after that, we're going to fix in these tires. Remember, you need to follow the grooves of the tires when fixing them in, and you need to apply some little bit of energy Okay, like this. Yeah, and also this way. Follow the grooves and then apply some little bit of energy like that. It comes with a switch also. Let us mount it over here like that. Remember, these cables will pass within this hose. These wires will pass within these holes like this, and then they are pulled up so that you can connect it to the motor driver. If you don't have a motor driver, you can go in the video description and then get it from Alibaba or any other e-commerce site near you. Yes, thank you for watching. Thank you very much. Please consider liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for education and listening content. Thank you. Bye bye.